Morning folks, I'm Dave Canterbury with Reliance Outfitters and the Pathfinder School. What I want to talk to you about today is a special event coming up in May from the 17th to the 19th, 2024. It's at Vinton County Fairgrounds here in Southeast Ohio in the Hocking Hills area of Ohio, which is a gorgeous area of Southeast Ohio. It's called the Old School Survival Boot Camp, the OSS Boot Camp. You can go to selfrelianceoutfitters.com and there's a direct link to that event. It's an event that's been going on for several years at this fairground. It is a large conglomeration of people that are like-minded, from homesteaders to preppers to survivalists to bushcrafters, survival instructors, different instructors on medicinal plants. There's lots and lots of classes, 70 or 80 different classes that go on during the course of this weekend. And the Pathfinder School will be a headliner basically at this event. We are going to teach probably 40 classes on our own as a Pathfinder School entity at this event, along with lots and lots of other instructors and vendors at the event. And the Self-Reliance Outfitters vendor tent will be there as well. Dirty Woodsman products will be sold inside, but the Pathfinder School will have a separate area from all of that where we'll be teaching classes, demonstrating projects, talking about the school and all this stuff. And you can come to that event, come talk to us throughout the weekend, learn from us throughout the weekend. I'm going to give special classes myself at the event, as well as the instructors for the Pathfinder School will be giving classes at this event as well. That will be held in areas near our Pathfinder setup. So I'll go over a list of the class that I'm personally going to be teaching at the end of this video, but I would encourage you to join us this year. It is a fairly large event. There's generally 20 to 30, maybe 40 vendors at this event. There are some food trucks that you can eat while you're there. There are events there for children. There are events there for youth, and there are events there for adults. And there are classes for all of those people as well at this event. And it's a very family-friendly function that you're going to have good fellowship, good camaraderie, and meet good, like-minded people at that I think you'll enjoy. And that's the only reason that I've thrown in with this event this year, in lieu of a Pathfinder Gathering, is to go to an event with them at the same location and basically double tap that event to do it together, so that we could bring more people in there that are like-minded and kind of spread that knowledge across both areas of interest, so that we could bring more people into all areas of the outdoors and have a good time together. So again, go to selfrelianceoutfitters.com. There's a direct link there to the Old School Survival Boot Camp, May 17th to the 19th, 2024. The tickets are not that expensive. You can camp on site, and it is, I think, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 17, 18, 19, that's correct. And I would encourage you to come and enjoy lots and lots of free classes at this event, and lots of great vendors with merchandise that is specific to your area of interest. So I want to give you quickly a list of classes I'm going to personally be teaching. Now, all of my instructors at the Pathfinder School are going to be at this event, and they'll be teaching classes of their own. And there's a list of all these classes on the OSS website. I'll be teaching pole navigation. I'll be teaching cook kits for trekking, hiking, and camping. I'll be teaching 12-gauge versatility, and I'll be teaching Water's Edge food procurement. Those are the four classes, main classes I'll be teaching. But again, I'll be available throughout the event at the Pathfinder School tent for any discussions or questions that you may have. All right, guys, Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters and the Pathfinder School. I hope to see you at the OSS event this year. Until then, we appreciate you, and I'll see you then. Thanks, guys.